Alright, today, as you can hear from the water on the tarp, it is raining. It's been raining. See how cloudy and yucky it is out. It's been raining pretty much all day long. What I want to do is start a fire using two tools, metal match and a knife. As you can see, I got my camera under a tarp here. I'm going to put it there here real quick so it doesn't get ruined, because it will be my ass if it gets ruined. I'm not going to be dragging my camera all over the place, so I'm going to bring wood back here and show you how it works. There's my dog. That way, Goofy. Alright, I went out and I found this piece of, looks like mulberry maybe, dead standing. That's what you want. You want to keep it up off the ground. You want to be sure it's not on the ground. Down here, I picked a bunch of bark up, right? This bark is going to be key later. We'll explain that later. But I'm keeping it one, throw it down there. The dry side is up on this side, and then I'm covering it up with the dry side that way. So inside is a dry sandwich. Alright, I got a couple trees that are fairly close together here. I'm going to take my wood. That's kind of what I wanted. I wanted to get the split going in it. I'm going to be able to work that split down, I hope. That's where our dry wood is. Right, from there I'm going to try and get in there with my knife and work her down. Alright, check it out. I got my knife down in that split, right? I'm going to put a little pressure on it, get her down, and open me up a little wedge right there. There, I'm going to take that little twig I got, I'm going to take my knife out, put it in my pocket so I don't lose that bad boy, because we don't need that. You hear that? That's the nice dry wood that's in there. Now, I'm going to take this one piece and place it under the bark while I work on this other one. I want to get all the rest of the wet crap off of it. With this fire, it's essential that you make lots and lots of little stuff. That means like your pencil lead sized, your pencil sized. Once again, got another split going. You work that bad boy down, I'll put it under the bark. Trying to keep it dry. Keep taking that down, put it under the bark. I'm not going to bore you with me continuing. Alright, as you can hear, it's still raining. I made got some feather sticks I made, and I'm not going to show them you too long because it's raining like crazy. And I got all my smaller kindling I split up and I did it with my knife. If you don't believe me, sorry, that's the way it goes. The next thing I got to do is make scrapings. I got this kept in my jacket, and it's going to be a little tricky, so we're going to get her going. Alright, like on my other videos, we got hardwood scrapings. We'll see if we can get them to go. It's a little windy. Ah. Oh, boys. There we go. You gotta get that wood on there so it'll dry out. Plus, you put that wood on there, it kind of helps shield it from a little bit of the weather too. I won't make you watch this thing get any bigger.